At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Starting an LLC, limited liability company, in Louisiana involves several steps. Here's a general guide to help you get started. 1. Choose a name for your LLC. Ensure the name you choose complies with Louisiana's naming requirements. It must include Limited Liability Company, LLC, or an abbreviation thereof. Additionally, it should not be deceptively similar to existing business names in Louisiana. You can check the availability of your desired name on the Louisiana Secretary of State's website. 2. Appoint a registered agent. You need to appoint a registered agent who will receive legal documents on behalf of your LLC. The registered agent must have a physical address in Louisiana. 3. File articles of organization. You'll need to file articles of organization with the Louisiana Secretary of State. This document typically includes basic information about your LLC, such as its name, address, registered agent, purpose, and management structure. 4. Draft an operating agreement. Although not required by Louisiana law, it's highly recommended to have an operating agreement in place for your LLC. This document outlines the ownership and management structure of the company, as well as the rights and responsibilities of its members. 5. Obtain an EIN. An Employer Identification Number, EIN, is necessary for tax purposes and opening a business bank account. You can obtain an EIN for free from the IRS. 6. File initial report. Louisiana requires LLCs to file an initial report within 90 days of formation. This report provides updated information about your LLC, such as its members, managers, and address. 7. Comply with tax and regulatory requirements. Depending on your LLC's activities, you may need to obtain certain licenses and permits at the federal, state, and local levels. Additionally, you'll need to register for state taxes, such as sales tax and employer withholding tax. 8. Annual reporting and compliance. Louisiana LLCs are required to file an annual report with the Secretary of State to keep their registration active. Make sure to comply with all ongoing reporting and compliance requirements to maintain your LLC's good standing. 9. Consider professional assistance. While it's possible to start an LLC on your own, you may benefit from consulting with an attorney or a business formation service to ensure compliance with all legal requirements and to address any specific needs or concerns. Remember to conduct thorough research and consult with professionals to ensure you're following all necessary steps and requirements for starting your LLC in Louisiana. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.